Good morning everyone. Today I will be sharing with you. I'm excited to cut this lemon strawberry soap or strawberry lemon soap. So this is the first cut. Okay. There. The inside and the other side. It's like a flower or flame here, and this is the other side. Okay, next bar. This is the poppy seed. It adds beauty to the bar. I think I'm gonna do like this. Let's see, so it will not. I'll try this method. It will be easy. There you are. Okay. Strawberry, it smells so good. Strawberry lemon. So this will be available after 6 weeks, beginning today. If you want to make this soap, you can leave your comment down below, and I'll share with you my recipe. The top. One more bar left. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.